Which is the worst degree that somebody can ever pursue?
BCom.
BCom!
BCom.
Yes, BCom or BBA. Degrees are relevant in the market. Most BCom grades settle for 3 to 4 lakh per annum jobs. But the smart ones, they pay BCom with the global certifications and start at 8 to 12 lakh per annum. BCom plus CPA. You can earn about 12 LP. BCom plus CMA USA. You can earn about 8 LPA. BCom plus ACCA. You can earn about 10 LPA. BCom plus CFA, you can earn about 10 LPA. BCom plus EA, you can earn about 7 LPA. The difference isn't the degree, it's a decision you make after it. Confused which path fits you? Comment up below and I'll show you exactly how you turn BCom into a high-paying global career.